don't know if you can see it or not on this. It's kind of hard to see out here at the light, sorry. I do it in the house, but and there's kids and stuff running around, so it's a little bit hard. Um, so on this one, we were supposed to pick a topic or something that we've learned from our G1000 class this far, and and I've learned a lot. I thought just going into this, I'd already used the G1000, so I was pretty familiar with it and stuff. But it seems like every time I think I know, quite a bit about the G1000, something else just keeps progressing, and it's just making me that much better of a pilot to know everything. So when I was this far, the thing that I did not know on here was how you can change different altitudes at different waypoints. So you can automatically set it so that the airplane will change change to a different altitude when you get to that waypoint. And this is huge for IFR because you're always changing different altitudes. So you can have it so where you're ascending, and when you get to this point, you can automatically ascend. So yeah, huge crucial part for IFR, and I can see how it can play because different altitudes and knowing different altitudes is a big thing to stay on when you're in IFR. So I'm gonna jump in here to how it's key crucial to airliners. This is big to airliners because they can put it in, and they're not having to yank the controls and stuff because autopilot's smoother. As smooth as pilots are, and everybody thinks they're the best pilot and stuff, but autopilot, especially in those big planes that are thousands of dollars to get those autopilots in there, they're very smooth, very coordinated, so you're not jerking people around and stuff like that, because nobody wants that when they go and fly on big planes. You pay a lot of money for that. So to have it just change to altitudes and it can do it smoothly and you don't have to worry about it, that's really big. So another thing that this is really helpful with is task management. It's a huge thing in the aviation industry to be able to manage tasks. And if you can do it effectively and well, that just makes you that much better of a pilot. So, yeah, let's see. Trying to think here. Task management is crucial. So, another way this could really help you with your task management too is, like I said, going back to IFR. You're not trying to look at your charts and see, oh, I have to be at this altitude here. You automatically put it in, and then it's going to tell you it's going to descend to that altitude. And if something happens, a hiccup on the way, you can always cancel and put it in standby mode. But it'll tell you what altitude you're supposed to be at and what altitude it's going to. So that's very helpful. I've learned so much about the G1000. Honestly, it's incredible. XM radios. That's cool to be able to listen to weather and stuff like that while you're flying. I mean, it's not the most reliable information, but it gives you kind of a heads up what you could potentially be going into and stuff like that. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks.